Hey everybody, this is Dan. Just figured I'd do a quick little update, being that I haven't showed you guys my mini bike in quite a while. First video was with these stupid forks that frickin' had to do so many things to get them proper, being that this mount was crooked and a whole bunch of BS. I ended up buying fork gaiters for them so they keep the seals clean. Still haven't done something for a front fender. I'm gonna utilize my stock fender. Put the 3-inch risers, pro taper bars. Still got my stock engine. Just put on the uni air filter and outer wear today. Just put on my clear valve cover. I got my Hot Rod Minis exhaust. I just coated it with silicone spray from DEI. Seemed to work pretty good. But I don't know, man. For a little 3-horse, it's not bad. I'm pretty happy with it. People complain that it won't pull you up hills. Well, hey, I don't have a problem with it. It's like, yeah, it ain't gonna do it from a dead stop, but come on. Oh yeah, probably see this. I'm gonna have to come up with something so my seat doesn't get burnt. It's kind of a little problem the way this is, that if you sit on the seat, it'll squish it down and it can actually contact the muffler and melt it. So I'm gonna make myself a little plate and attach to that bar so I don't have a problem with that anymore. It'll help support the seat too. But I got enough tires and other rims to put on this pretty soon. As you can see, this isn't the stock rotor. This is an oversized rotor that I got. Everybody complains that they have crappy braking. Well, mine brakes just fine. A little bit of modification. Still got the governor in it. Gonna be taking that out soon so I can get the full speed out of it. Should be about 34 miles an hour with me on it. With the pipe, maybe a little faster. Might get 36 out of it. Got the stock gearing. So 12 tooth with a 75 tooth. But yeah. Also, I forgot my foot pegs. I had to drill out the peg hole from, I think they were only 5mm. And these are for an XR or CRF 50 or 70. They fit a lot of other Honda dirt bikes and other things too, but it's like, ooh, I'm pretty sure these will fit. They had the right angle compared to how Baja Doodlebugs and Dirt Bugs, Blitz, Racer, whatever the heck you want to call them, as many names as they had. But yeah, pretty soon you'll see a video of me doing the governor, and I'll upload that for you guys, being that nobody's done one yet, and show you what this sounds like. But not tonight. It's about to get dark. As you can see, it's starting to get dark already. But just wanted to throw this up for the CT100 crew. And this is Dan signing off, and I'll see you later.